Hey YouTube, what's up? Yo, what up, peeps? What up, everyone? Hola, once again, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jay, and I'm back with another video for you guys today. Now, I don't want to keep this video too long for you guys, so on that note, peeps, let's get into this video, and I hope you guys are having a blessed day. And yeah, as you guys can see, I have a couple different Durags. Now, this is not all my collection of Durags. These are some of the most recent ones. Like, for example, I bought this one right here not too long ago. This is the Ocean Views right here. The blue right here. Silk satin. This is a really good do-rag right here. Also, I bought, now, this right here, this is another version of the T-Sue rag right here. From a different brand, different company. Got this from Amazon. I thought that this one would be maybe a little bit different, but still the same thing. Another Sue rag, just different brand, different company. That's it. Also, I just bought this Crown Quality CQP do-rag right here. So, yeah, this is the most recent ones I bought. And also, bought this Wave Builder do-rag right here, blue edition from the beauty supply store. So, yeah, these are some of the most recent ones. But, guys, something came in the mail today. I ordered another do-rag from CJ Monsoon from this website. And it was like almost $30 for the do-rag after shipping and taxes. But once I did my research, looked at the do-rag, I saw 540 Style Al's video, so shout out to him. Because I asked him a question about this do-rag and he answered back and he was like, yeah, this is a good do-rag. So I did my research on the website and I looked at it. And I was like, okay, this is something that I want. So let's see if it's something that I really want. Hopefully this is what I've been looking for. And yeah, so right here. Okay, we got the invoice right here. So this would be my second do-rag that I ordered from him. I ordered a black edition do-rag like a long time ago, guys. So that was like way back. But this is a new edition do-rag right here. And this is the Monsoon Air Silky Compressed do-rag. Very durable and blue air. So this is the Monsoon Air Silky Compression do-rag. And it says very durable. So this is the latest edition of this do-rag right here. So I was looking for something that was stretchy material but still silky satin with the more wider straps. And not the like these straps are good, but they're kind of like too small. But hopefully these straps are much wider, or it should be much wider. But I don't know how much more wider they are, but they look wider than the ones on here. Or yeah, they look wider than these right here. So hopefully the straps won't get all scrunched up like some of my other do-rags. But so far, I'm liking the do-rag. I'm liking the way it looks. Got the stitching down the middle. So the logo right here, I'll switch it around so you guys can see. Yeah, so let me take this do-rag off real quick. Matter of fact, let me take this do-rag off. Let me see. Let's see real quick. So let's take this do-rag off right here. And let's see how my waves are looking right now. As you guys can see, this is how my waves are looking right now. I'll turn to the side so you guys can see. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see that good, but hopefully you guys can see how my waves are looking. So turn to the other side. Can you guys see the back? Yeah, hopefully you guys can see the back, but this is how my waves are looking right now. This is the do-rag right here, and this is how it looks right now. So yeah, this is the do-rag. Nothing much to it. I definitely like it. Definitely like the material. So yeah, peeps, on that note, that's it for the video. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing of this new Durag right here from CJ Monsoon. And peeps, on that note, peace.